everyone, it's Melissa and I'm the Tech Savvy Girl. Today I wanted to talk to you a little about Apple's new line of Apple Silicon M1 processors. And I have to admit, at first I was skeptical. I thought the M1 was the Intel M1 processor because Apple has always gone traditionally with AMD or Intel. And the Intel M1 is not as good as a traditional i5, i7. It was developed for mobile devices, so it's very different than the M1 processor we're talking about today. This was designed exclusively for Apple devices, and it combines several different components of a PC, which include the CPU, the GPU, the unified memory RAM, the SSD controller, the Thunderbolt controller, and a lot more. The current devices that have the M1 processor include the MacBook Pro starting at $1299, the MacBook Air starting at $999, the MacBook Mini starting at $699, and we're estimating the iMac will be released later this year. The unified memory plays an important role because of the M1. Instead of going through each chip individually, it's all done in one place. This results in a much faster operating system. However, because of the way that the RAM is designed, you can only have the amount that came with your computer. You can't upgrade. And it maxes out at 16 gigs. However, realistically, 8 gigs is more than enough for most tasks. It is estimated to perform twice as fast than the Intel chip, and you can have multiple programs running at a time, and it won't slow down or crash. The battery life has improved twice as much than prior generations. It can last up to 20 hours, which is double the 2019 model. What's next for Apple? Apple plans fully on transitioning to all of their computers with the Silicon processor. The plan is estimated to take place over the next 2 years. The next one, as I mentioned before, will be the iMac, which is supposed to be announced this spring. However, it did get delayed. We're thinking it's going to come out next month, but it might be pushed to the fall. And as always, if you like this video, like, comment, share, and follow. And I really hope to see you real soon. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.